same thing, same engine, the same interface. Right? So I can use that for us to just make scribble of things down. We don't have hands-on experience today because the platform is not ready. It's down for now. So we can just I wouldn't know, but I said it's been virtual. It is expedient that you do a 1 minute introduction of yourself so that you put a face to whoever is teaching. I don't know if that makes sense. Yes. No, just for this course. Just like class introduction.